everybody and welcome back to the Blossom Crochet channel. Today I'm just going to be doing a really quick show and tell on the yarn that I've got in front of me here. Now this is the Poundland yarn. So I know that this is a very UK specific video, but obviously I'm in the UK and I thought worthwhile to talk about these. So as I say, these are from the Poundland shop in the UK and they have some yarn. Now I have used quite a lot of their yarns before, but this is a colourway that I haven't used. So I just wanted to show you this one. It is so delicate and so beautiful. It will be really nice for baby items, that's for sure. So not only is this yarn cheap to buy anyway, it is always, it is usually on a 3 for 2 as well. So hence why I've got 3 balls of it here. These are all 50 gram balls, so obviously they're not huge, they are just 50 grams, but let's see how many yards or meters we get in this. I'm reading the tiny print and I cannot see a yardage or meterage anywhere. Anyway, it's a 50 gram ball and obviously the recommended hook is 4mm because it is a DK yarn. I'm surprised that it doesn't have a yardage on this. I thought they all did for patterns and whatnot, but no, I cannot see a meterage anywhere. Anywho, yeah, so they're always on a 3 for 2, or they have been whenever I've seen them. Now these aren't the only colours in their range. They do have solid colours. They also have other variegated ones as well, which I've used quite a lot of times on my channel, and I will pop in a couple of Instagram pictures to show you what I have made with the other colourway that I've got. It's a brighter multicoloured rainbow yarn. This one's much more subtle and delicate. So first impressions when I use the Poundland yarn for the first time. Is it the softest yarn that you're ever going to use? No, absolutely not. Is it scratchy? No, I definitely wouldn't describe it as scratchy either. I would say it is somewhere in the middle. It's not super duper soft, but it's also not scratchy. You could definitely use it for a baby cardigan or blanket or anything like that. That's absolutely fine. I did wash one of the projects that I made with this yarn in the other colourway, and to be fair, it did soften up a little bit in the wash as well. So obviously do just be careful when washing your crochet things. You don't want them all to come apart, so do make sure you do them carefully. But this is a 100% acrylic yarn. So as I say, it's not the softest acrylic that I've ever worked with, that's for sure, but it also isn't, it doesn't feel cheap and horrible is basically what I'm trying to say. Even though it is quite a cheap yarn, it doesn't feel like, you know, it doesn't feel like it's going to be sandpaper and scratching your skin off when you use it or when you wear it. So these colours are really beautiful. They're so delicate. Like I say, you'll have seen the other photos that I've popped in the video of the other colours. Just obviously with it being a bit of a squeeze, shall we say, financially for a lot of households at the moment, I just wanted to mention, you know, there are so many beautiful yarns out there. There are basic DK yarns that you can get at a really, really good price so that you can keep your hands busy throughout the winter. I know that that's exactly what I'm going to be doing. But yeah, there are some really decent yarns out there for a low price. Obviously you do have your Stylecraft Special DK, which is always really good value for money. Same with the Shapey's Colour Crafter. You know, they're sort of £2 a ball-ish. Whereas these are £1 each and it's 3 for 2. So you get the 3 balls for £2. I know they're only the 50 grams, but you know, I just wanted to let you know that there are these things out there. So yeah, a little show and tell. I do hope that you will join me again for a normal crochet tutorial really soon. But that is it for this one, and I will see you again very, very soon. Thanks as always for watching, and bye for now.